Hey, what's going on guys? Tanmay here. Welcome back to my channel. I love tech gear, gadgets and gizmos and content creating tools like cameras, lenses, drones, microphones, lights, tripods, etc. So if you are into such tech gadgets, definitely check out this channel and do subscribe. And today we have a very special product. This is a spotlight flashlight / RGB light which has a unique and interesting feature of creating certain light patterns that can enhance your videos and your content creation and take it to the next level. We're gonna quickly unbox this. I literally received this today in the mail, and let's quickly unbox this. Let's see what we have inside and let's set it up and see live in this video what it can do and demonstrate some of its features. So I'm just quickly gonna open this box. I know it's a huge box and I'm not sure if it's fitting in the video, but I'm just gonna quickly unbox this. I don't even have my unboxing knife today. Okay, alright, that big box after unboxing got me this small box which you can see, and this is that flashlight. It actually looks like a regular flashlight. It's RGB, meaning that it has different colors. It has predefined colors, I suppose. Let's quickly open up this box and see what we get inside the box. Okay, so we have this attachment mount which attaches to the front of the light, and I'll tell you what this does in a minute. We have certain effects. These are called Gobos, I think. What do we have next? Okay, and there we have the light. Okay, this is a chunky light, it's a hefty light. I think it has got some good weight to it, and let's keep it to the side. Let's see what we have next. Okay, we have a good carrying case, I suppose. Yeah, this is a soft velvet carrying case. That's a good touch. Do we have a charger? No, we don't have a charger. It charges using USB-C. We'll talk about that in a minute. We have a charging cable, but we don't have a charger, and that's about it. A little bit of user manual, which obviously we will never read through. We will just start the light and check it out. So the model name is NEEWER FL10 or NEEWER Basics. It's called NEEWER Basics. This is that light, and this is the front of the light. You can see there is a USB-C charging port over here. We have 1/4" screw holes on this side, and then we have it one at the opposite side. We also have one at the bottom, so you have different mounting options using 1/4" holes. Let's turn this light on and let's see how it looks. We have to press this button. You have this very nice metallic button. It's a whole metallic body, probably for heat management as well, and it is quite heavy, and it's not that cheap or lightweight feeling. Alright, there you go. The light is on, and what do we have? Okay, so this has this zoomable focus thing. So if we extend it out, you know what, I'll just try to showcase it to you on the background over here. If I want a larger circle, I can just pull it back, and if I want a smaller circle, I can just pull it out. So it has this zooming capability. I don't know what intensity I am at, but if I want to increase or decrease the intensity, you have to just turn on this knob. I'll add some B-rolls to demonstrate this. So all you have to do is, keep on turning on this knob to the right to increase the intensity and to the left to decrease the intensity. So just to demonstrate it over here, not sure if you guys can see the circle. I'm assuming you guys can. Look at that. That's a yellow color, I suppose. Let me increase the intensity as much as possible. I think we are at max. Let me decrease the intensity of this RGB light. Alright, there you go. Now you can see the background is lit up. I can change this to red. I can change this to blue, a white light, orange. Where's the green one? I thought there was a green one too. I'll have to check. Okay, we only have 4 colors to switch between. We have the blue, we have the white, we have the red, and we have the yellow, right? Okay, let's see what we have other than that. I'll just turn off this light. Okay, so it comes with certain mounting options. Firstly, let me just show you that mount. It's called a Gobo attachment. So it's nothing but a rubber circular attachment. This is that mount, and it simply goes on top of the flashlight. That's how it fits. And now what you can do is you can create certain effects using these given Gobo mounts. So let me show you one of them. So you can see this is that cardboard like mount. It's made of plastic. It's not very heavy duty. You have to simply extend this out. That's how the flashlight would look like, and just insert this into the mount. It's a little finicky, not very seamless to be honest, but once you have it in there, yep, there you go. You can see this. So now if I turn on this flashlight, there you go, you can see in the background, that's the pattern I can create using this particular Gobo attachment. And of course I can make it large by zooming out, or I can make it small. And this is something that I can, kind of place this light in the background to create this effect, right? I can simply do it like this. I can keep it somewhere around here and it'll create those patterns on the background. I can literally mount it somewhere above me like this, and this will create certain effects. I can change the color. I can make it orange, I can make it red, I can make it blue, and I can make it white. Pretty cool, right? So this is just one attachment. This is how it looks like. I can change this and I can add something else to it. Here's one effect. This is another Gobo attachment, just to show you. This is how it would look like. And then there are multiple patterns which you can use, which I'll demonstrate in the B-roll. So yeah, this is that product which you can use, and you can use this for portrait photography if you are in a studio and if you want to create certain effects, certain light streaks, and add a little bit of flair to your photography, to your videography. You can use this and you can mount it on a stand and place it somewhere outside the frame of your video and create those light effects in your video, and that would be really cool. I think that's something that a lot of you guys, especially if you're a content creator, if you create content by sitting like this in the form of a studio setup, then definitely it will be helpful for you guys. And you can also use it like a regular flashlight. The battery life, I'll have to check on this. I just unboxed it live in front of you, so I don't know how long it lasts. It said that it can do at least 2 hours, but I think this is a very interesting product which I will start using in my videos also to light up the background. Right now you can see I'm just hitting the wall with a green light or a RGB light, which I use to just spice things up because the background is not that fancy in my place where I live. So I just use some RGB lights. I can change the RGB lights. I can do it to a red, I can do it to a blue, purple, whatever I want. So yeah, now I can just overlay a little bit of pattern on the wall using this NEEWER FL10 light and add a bit of flair and spice to it. So this was a quick unboxing and initial impressions of the NEEWER FL10 Spotlight. I think it's a pretty cool device. It's definitely something that I am going to try to experiment with and use it in my videos moving on. So you'll see probably some patterns on the wall, and if you see that, that's this flashlight. If you're a content creator, if you're a photographer, if you're a videographer, if you have a studio setup, you can definitely use this and create some fancy patterns, create some interesting results. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. I think there is another option when it comes to such kind of flashlight. I think it's from Small Rig, but I couldn't get it. I just got this one at an affordable price on Amazon. I'll share the link in the video description. That's gonna be an affiliate link. If you buy this flashlight via that link, the existing discounts and all those things will obviously be there, but it will help me by giving me a little bit of kickback in the form of a commission. So that would help me to make more videos for free on this channel. So that will definitely support this channel. So do check out the links in the video description. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna wrap this video up over here. Hope you like this product. If you want to check it out, links in the video description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.